everybody, welcome. I haven't been feeling well. Winter months is very, very hard for me. My legs don't ask. Sometimes I want to quit, but I won't. I'm not going to. Yeah, so I saw something on a vlogger's channel. I want to give a shout out to Not the Real McCoy. My friend Martin lives in Australia. And he loves the outdoors, and I really hope you go visit his channel and do what he says. Do something every day. My sister Tracey is going to help me describe how to do this craft. So let's go, Tracey.
Okay, so you put on blue gloves and you point, and then you point again 2 times with both fingers. Okay, and then you look at the paper, and
it's not paper. It's not paper. First of all, it's water slide decal paper for inkjet, transparent.
Right. That's what it is. Hey, I like your tablecloth though. It's really cool. It's like,
Get on to the craft.
Okay, Tracey. Sorry. Okay, so then you take a pair of scissors while you have your blue gloves on, and you start cutting out the little pictures. You know, you can cut them any way you want, like the way you want them to be. So I've never done a craft.
You know what?
No.
The reason why I'm cutting it so far away from the pictures is because I have a hard time and I don't want to ruin the picture.
Okay. But people can cut them any shape they want, right?
Exactly.
As long as everything ends up fitting on that piece of wood over there.
Exactly. Okay. But I wouldn't do a full sheet. It doesn't work well.
What do you mean you wouldn't do a full sheet? Oh, to put the whole thing.
You have to cut pieces up.
Well, then it would lose its cachet if you just covered the whole thing with paper. You have to have right?
Yeah, you want the wood grain to show through.
Wood grain. That's what I meant.
You know, we are so different, eh, Tracey?
Why?
Well, you're into makeup and, fashion and all that, and I'm into food and crafts.
I know, but we were like that even when we were little kids. You never cared about being a girly girl. You were a tomboy, remember?
Yeah.
You wanted to play football and stuff, and there I was, practicing mascara. No, but for real. For real, remember? You don't have to make it perfect, but, you don't want to... Dee, you still there?
Oh, sorry, I wasn't listening. No, it's okay. Keep going.
Okay. So then you move your scissors out of the way, and you try to place everything on your piece of wood so that it looks, really cute, and then you take them all off. And then...
Tracey!
What?
Tracey, you have to tell people they have to put it on a mirror image because the words will come out backwards.
Oh, okay. So you better tell that part.
I just did.
Okay. So then you take a bunch of glue and you smush it around.
It's not glue, Tracey.
What is it?
Mod Podge.
Okay, it's something called Mod Podge that's white. And you put some on your piece of wood and you smush it. And you smush it around. Should we speed this up too?
Swoosh. Swoosh.
Swoosh is a verb. The verb to swoosh. I swoosh. You swoosh. She swooshes. You have to put, is it wax paper or parchment? You lay wax paper and you take a little tiny roller thingy and you just roll your wax paper into your Mod Podge products. And
because what you want to do is want to get all the air bubbles and any kind of
air bubbles
or anything out of it, and the Mod Podge will not stick to the wax paper.
Will not stick. Then you take away your wax paper.
So go back.
Then you squeeze out a rag And then you dab it. Dab, 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 dab. Because if you don't...
Yes, you don't rub it, because what's going to happen is you're going to have smeared ink. You're going to ruin it.
Right. And I think I want to mention to people that we're doing this over Skype because we're not allowed to get together. We are still 100% locked down. Hey, did you hear on the news? Oh, I want to ask you, do you watch Shameless on Netflix?
No, I don't.
Oh my God, it is so horrible, and I can't tear myself away because the characters you get so involved, but it's like it's so bad. It is.
So are we still discussing this, or?
Remove sheets of paper. No, remove bits of paper which you no longer need. Oh, did you hear on the news that some people rented a chalet, and there were 36 people that rented a chalet, and they got caught, and altogether...
Oh yeah, that I heard.
They paid $5,600 in fines. So it's really strict here, you guys. We are not allowed out. If we get caught outside past 8 o'clock, you're in trouble. Like, we're not allowed to go out. We're not allowed to... Like, I haven't seen my sister in... I don't even know how long. We're not allowed to see anybody. We're not allowed to go out. We're not allowed to go anywhere except, anyway. So I just want to say we're doing it over Skype.
Tracey, can we get back to the project?
Oh, all right. Okay, let's get back to the project. Okay, I don't know what to say on this part. I don't know what you're doing.
Well, I've waited 30 minutes for all for it to dry. And yeah, and now either you can put Mod Podge over top to seal it, or varnish.
Varnish.
And I prefer the varnish.
She prefers the varnish, you guys. What are you going to do with this wooden thing?
Well, I was thinking,
hey,
when I do something in Dee's kitchen, I would just have that on the side, and people
How come I have the exact same pajamas as that? Wait, why are you in your pajamas?
Because I'm in confinement, and I'm not going to dirty my good clothes. There's no way.
Oh, okay. I have the same pajamas. How come I have the same pair? Did I buy them for you?
No, we went shopping together before everything blew up in our face.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. Okay, I remember now. Aren't they, like, so comfortable?
They are. Can we get back to the craft, Tracey?
Okay, now back to the craft, because, that's why we're here. You take your brush that's really a spongy thing, and you swish it, back and forth. Huh? Spread it.
A thin coat over everything.
Okay, so,
No, Tracey. Say it like I told you to.
What?
You have to spread the varnish evenly.
Okay. But you just said it.
Okay.
Wow, dead air time. I think we need to speed this up. Well, you're almost finished. Yeah, okay, so you just smoosh it around, smoosh it out.
Yeah, Tracey, that's what I did. I smooshed it out.
And here it is. I decorated it a bit. And you can see the wood, which is exactly what I wanted. So, I hope you like it. Now I want to show you why I wanted to do something like that. I think between you and this sign, how can anybody resist and not come back? Right? And a pause down. I guess that's all we have for you today. And hope you wait. Where are you going? Be cute. Okay. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time. Okay. Bye. Hope to see you. Wait, where are you going? Oh, come on. I did all this work. Come on, click the subscribe. Put a thumbs up. No, you think you want to go. Look at this face. Look at this face. How can you just leave? No, wait. You have to ring the bell. Don't think about it, just click, ring the bell, subscribe. Come on, you know you want to. Where are you going? No, you don't want to go. You think you want to go, but what you really want to do is click up. And you want to subscribe, and you want to come back and be part of our extended family. Right, Zoe? Do your job. Be cute.
Before I go, I just want to say go visit Martin at Not the Real McCoy. And I want to say thank you so much for Tracey for being here and helping me out and always doing my editing, and I appreciate so much. And I want to thank Zoe for always being there and encouraging me and letting me patter. And I want to thank you all for being with us. Bye, Tracey.
Bye. Stay safe. Walk tall, everybody.
Yes, everybody, thank you so much. And stay safe. Till the next time.
Bye.
Bye.